Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisha. So in today's video, we will be talking about passive income. Now, according to Wikipedia, passive income is the income that you receive on a regular basis where you will have to take minimal to no efforts to maintain it. So cool, right? But before you start getting excited about earning passive income without taking any efforts, let me just let you know that there are certain amount of efforts that you would need to take at least at the initial phases. Now, active income is the income where you work regularly or actively to earn that income, and passive income, there are two approaches to earn it. One is when you have idle cash with you, and the other one is when you don't have idle cash with you, where you'll have to invest some time and efforts to earn it. So let me quickly share with you 7 ways how you could earn passive income. Now here 3 ways will be when you have idle cash and 4 ways will be when you don't have idle cash. I know the major part of the population watching this video is between 25 to 40. So I would be stressing more on 4 ways when you don't have idle cash. So let's get started. Now the first one would be reselling. Now, reselling, as the name suggests, is where you purchase goods from a wholesaler and have it resold to the end customer. I know it's not very feasible for working professionals to go to a wholesaler or to a thrift store and then search for your end customer. So, what I suggest you here is you could check out for some online wholesale websites where you could purchase goods online from that wholesaler and have it resold on your seller account. Now, when I mean seller account here is you would have to create an online seller account either on eBay or maybe on Amazon, or you could sell it on Facebook Marketplace or your Instagram account. You could do this at the comfort of your home or maybe while traveling to work. If you are worried about how you will have these products delivered to your end customer, sites like Amazon also provide pick and drop services where the Amazon representative will come to your place, pick up the goods and have it delivered to your end customer. So you might want to check out on these services as well. Reselling is the most simplest way how you could earn passive income, where you just purchase goods, get it uploaded on your seller account, and then whenever it has to make money for you, it will make money for you. So the next one would be drop shipping. If you haven't heard about dropshipping, you could just Google it up because there's a lot of data available regarding dropshipping and there are a lot of people ready to work with you for dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is where you don't have to keep the products or the inventory at your place. Now, I know most of the people living in the metropolitan cities don't have enough storage place and that is why they worry about reselling. So, in dropshipping, you will have to generate the lead from your online seller account and then ask the wholesaler to directly ship the products to your end customer. There are risks involved here where your wholesaler might directly send his contact details to the end customer. So you might want to take the help of sites like Shopify to help you with drop shipping. Now the next one would be online selling. Now, this is something different than reselling. Here, you might want to utilize your hobby. Probably you are good with the crafty stuff and you would want to make greeting cards and have it sold on your seller account. Or maybe you're good with painting and you think people would be interested in purchasing your portrait. So, what you could do here is again have it sold on your seller platform. The same drill. Create your seller account, upload the pics, and then let it make money for you. Here, you will also not feel frustrated that you're not following your passion. So, these were the 3 ways how you could earn passive income when you have some idle cash. Now, I'll be telling you 4 ways when you don't have idle cash. So, out of those, the first one would be writing a blog. So, if you think you have a whole bunch of thoughts in your mind and you think people would be interested in reading, then you might want to check out sites which would be ready to pay you for the content that you write. You could also create your own blog with the topic that interests you. So, keep writing and keep earning. The next one would be online website surveys. Here, I don't mean you would need to fill out long pages just to receive some pennies. Online website surveys are those where you toggle through the website of the new company or maybe a new hotel and let them know how easy was it for you to get that information that you're looking for. A web designer could design a website to the best of his abilities, but it would not be proven how good the website is unless and until a user test is done. So your companies pay you for the feedback that you give them. Just let me give you a heads up here. These websites have a pre-test kind of a thing, so you might want to research before getting into it. So the next one would be becoming a tutor. Now, I know becoming a tutor involves certain amount of commitment. So what I suggest you here is pick up small projects. If you're interested in dancing and you couldn't convert it into your full-time career, you could start choreographing for Sangeet ceremonies or wedding ceremonies or maybe in an annual school function or something like that. If you're good with accounts, maths or any other subject, you could just start a crash course before the exams and there'll be a whole bunch of students who will be ready to take your help. The next one would be freelancing. So if you're a techie person and you think you're good with web designing, graphic designing, or you have tricks on social media management, so what I would suggest you is you could check out websites where you could get these projects. These projects would pay you well and you could also do what you're interested in. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope this video was helpful to y'all and y'all will use one of these techniques to earn yourself some passive income. Please do share this video with someone who you think it will be useful for. Now, I know there are hundreds of videos available on the internet suggesting you how you could earn passive income or giving you different business ideas. And I know you have so many ideas in your head, and that is why in my next video, I will be telling you how to decide on an idea when you have too much going through your head. So stay tuned for that. Bye for now. See you later.